I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model number to know the correct override. That prevents unnecessary panel removal later. Next, press pause or start to stop the current wash and allow the machine to drain. If water remains, select Drain. Once the tub is empty, press power to turn the machine off. This clears many electronic locks. Do this now so you avoid forcing the door and risking damage. It also prepares the washer for the manual unlock steps that follow. Once powered down, try the simplest electronic fix. Press and hold the child lock or lock button for 3 to 5 seconds to release the latch. Samsung uses this to prevent accidental opening. If that fails, unplug the washer or flip the breaker and wait 1 to 2 minutes. That forces the control board to reset and may drop the latch. If the door remains locked and the lock indicator is still lit, make sure to approach the lower access panel next, because the manual release is usually behind that kick plate. Now perform the manual release. Remove the lower kick panel with a screwdriver, enough to access the emergency release, typically a small plastic tab or pull cord near the latch or drain pump. Slowly pull the tab while you gently pull the door handle. You'll feel the latch disengage. Once open, replace the panel and restore power, then run a short test rinse to confirm normal locking function. If the lock remains jammed or you smell burnt electronics, stop and call a service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.